In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change workspace name in Notion. Whether you are rebranding, cleaning up your sidebar, or just want a name that better reflects your team, changing your workspace name in Notion is quick and straightforward. You can do this from the desktop app or directly in your browser, and the steps are the same either way. Once you are in Notion, look to the top left of the sidebar and click on Settings and Members. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so you can see that option clearly. Inside the panel that opens, find the Workspace section and choose Settings. This is where general workspace preferences live, so it's the right place for name and icon updates. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you are in the correct one before you continue. Now, in the General area, locate the Name field. Click into that field and type your new workspace name. Aim for something clear and recognizable, so teammates and guests always know where they are. Short, descriptive names tend to work best, especially if you switch between multiple workspaces. As you edit, keep an eye out for formatting. Capitalization and spacing can make the name look more polished. When you are happy with the new name, apply the change. Depending on your version, you may see an update button to confirm. If you do, click it. In some cases, Notion autosaves as you type, so you won't need to press anything. Either way, give it a moment to sync. The new name will appear in your sidebar and will be visible to anyone who has access to this workspace. If you don't see it right away, it usually just needs a second to refresh. While you are here, you can also update the workspace icon to match your new name or vibe. In the same General section, click on the current workspace icon. You'll be able to choose an emoji for a quick, colorful identifier or upload a custom image for a more branded look. If you are uploading an image, pick something simple, high contrast, and square, so it looks crisp at small sizes. Notion will handle the rest, and your icon will update instantly across the app. That's all there is to it. Use the desktop app or your browser. Open Settings and Members, head to Settings under the Workspace header. Change the Name field. Confirm with Update if needed and optionally refresh your icon in the same place. Your workspace will look cleaner and more consistent in just a minute. Thanks for watching.